welcome to my super creative Numberblock zone. Hello Numberblock fans, in this channel I'm going to explore the Numberblocks with Numberblocks toys. So please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos in my YouTube channel. Hello Numberblock fans, in today's video we're going to explore the 282 to 286. You guys might be confused that why am I weird today? You know, that's actually I want to post 3 videos, but I don't want to waste too much time of doing 3 characters. I want to make 5 characters in this video because I want to end these number blocks early to do everything else. So this time I build longer version, and then the next video I'll post you the 3 characters just like usual. So anyways, let's build. The first character that we're going to build is 282. So 282 has 200 light peach blocks, 80 light pink blocks, and 2 orange blocks. So we build 282 just like the 280. Well, we build the old 280 just like before, so we need to build like this.
Okay.
So we build 260, and then we need to build 260, and then we build 280 by attach 20 blocks at the side and at the right. Okay, you guys might be confused that why do I build five characters. That's because I want to end the 200s early to do something else. And the next video, awesome. I'll post you by building 3 characters only, just like usual. And here's our 280. And then we need to attach 2 orange blocks to make 282. Alright, so we need our face stickers. Alright, so Numberblock 282 has orange eyes, eyebrows, and the mouth. This is to represent that we got 2 orange blocks in a whole 282 blocks. But also 282 has the own divisors. You know what? It's 6 lots of 47, and 47 is the 15th member of the prank club, which means she has to say hush hush. So here's our number block 282. Alright, so the next character is 283. So 283 has 200 light peach blocks, 80 light pink blocks, and 3 yellow blocks. So we build 280 just like before, and then we need to attach 3 yellow blocks more to make 283. Alright, so we build like this. Oh, here's the 3 yellow blocks. Here are the 3 yellow blocks. And then we need to attach the rest of the light pink blocks to make 283. So 283 is the prime number again, but he's the 61st member of the prime club, which means he has to make his own face into the 61's face, which has the glasses, the star-shaped glasses, like the rock band, right? You know, well, the numbers which can divide by 61s wears the star-shaped glasses, just like rock band. But the numbers which can divide by 61 should has the calendar too. That's because 61, if we times 6, we got 366, and 366 is the leap year, is the amount day of the leap year. But anyways, the numbers which can divide by 283, no calendar, because it doesn't contact with any numbers or the time or the units or the converter, if I call it. Here is the face stickers of 283. So here's our finish, 283. Alright, so the next is 284. So 284 has 200 light peach blocks, 80 light pink blocks, and 4 green blocks. So 284 is made out of 4 lots of 71s. But 71 is the 20th member of the prank club, which means he should have the face just like number block 20.
This is awesome.
That's it. You guys might be confused now. Why 271? I mean, why the 71's divisor has the face just like 20? That's because he's the 20th member of the prank club. So, which means that the 71 divisors always has the face just like 20.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, so many, yeah. Because it got 284 blocks. Not a few, so many. But anyways, enjoy build that. And then we need to attach 4 green blocks here. We need to make a magic and...
Ding, ding, ding.
Oh, it's 284. So let's go so it's time to go to the next character. So the next is 285. So 285 has 200 light peach blocks, 80 light pink blocks, and 5 light blue blocks. Oh! Alright, so we built 285 just like before, but we need 5 light blue blocks because 285 is one more than 284, right? But 285 has the own divisors, which is 15 lots of 19s or 19 lots of 15s, which means 285 is the crazy shaper, but can make so many rectangles and can be a crazy shaper too. So we will build 280 blocks first, and then we need to add the last 5 light blue blocks to make 285. And then, here's our 285. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Here's 285. So, here's our 285. Okay, so the last is 286. So 286 has 200 light peach blocks, 80 light pink blocks, and 6 dark indigo blocks. So we build 286 just like before. But this time, the rectangle is full, which is 22 by 13 rectangle formation. This time, this rectangle is full rectangle, no gap, and no gaps anymore. So here's our 260, and then we add 20 to make 280. And also 286, I said that 22 by 13, right? So which means probably 286 is a football player, 26th member of the football club. 11 by 26. 1, 2, 3. 286. And this is the end of today's video. So I hope you guys like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to see my new videos. So see you next time. Bye!